Let's talk about how to create a website for a swimming pool contractor quickly and easily using Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites is only $9 a month. It's a really simple, easy to use platform for creating small business websites. So if you're a swimming pool contractor, first thing you would like to do, just go into Mighty Sites, enter your name, email, start your free trial. Again, it's only $9 a month if you decide to use it. So it's super inexpensive and affordable. Just click on the swimming pool contractor website template, and then I would just start with putting in the name of your business. So I'll just put Keegan's Pools as an example, and then city, Denver, state, Colorado, and then type of business, it's a service if you're building pools for people. So then I'm just going to click continue. And so just like that, Mighty Sites is going to generate a simple professional website for my swimming pool contractor business. So this platform makes it super easy. All these images are pre-licensed for you to use. The template's already laid out. So again, if you're just looking for something simple to have an online business card for your swimming pool contractor business, look no farther than Mighty Sites. It's a great platform to get started. Now, you could pretty much launch a site like this, but I'm going to show you these update section buttons. It's really easy to make some updates to add some more information. But again, all the copy and images are written for you, and I'll show you how to change those and update things. So first thing, you may want to change colors. So it just depends on your type of business, what type of logo or branding you're looking for or going with. I'll probably select the blue, obviously, just because it's a swimming pool contractor business. But obviously, you might have a logo that's a different color, a brand or look or feel for your business that's different. You can go through all these different types of color palettes and just select the one that you feel like is the right fit for you. So I'll just maybe I'll use this like light and dark blue for now for my business. So once I select that, now it's really easy to make edits. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some contact information. So I'm going to add my email address, and then I'm going to click to show my email on the site. And then I'm going to add my phone number. So now my phone number is included as well. I can add my address if I have a physical location, or you can just leave your city and state. Now let's add my social media links. So I'm just going to type mine in, but you can just copy and paste yours too, whichever is easiest for you. Let's just say I have an Instagram too. Just copy and paste your Instagram link as well. So I'll just type mine in here. Let me save these social links and close. So now you can see I've got my social media links up at the top, my phone, my email, all of that. I can go here to update section, and if I want to add another item to my navigation menu, I just type it in here, navigation, whatever I want it to be called. And then wherever I want it to link to, my website, a different website, an action button like call, link, a PDF. But for now, I'll go over here and set it to just as an example. So I'll just set it to a section of my website. So I'll confirm that. Now I add it to my menu, click save, and then you'll see now I have a new item added to my navigation. So that's really easy to do. If you do have a company logo, you can upload it here. If you don't, you can just, have your name typed in there, but I'm just going to browse and let me look for my logo. So I'll search for a logo here. Let's see. Let's see if I can find a logo that I want to use for my business. Just search through. So here's a logo. I'm just going to open up this logo here, let it load, and then save it. And now my logo's there. So because this is a really easy website builder for small businesses, now there's two buttons, make it bigger, make it smaller. I can just click on these buttons to choose the size, or I can click on this little pencil. And for any image that you upload, there's all these picture editing tools included. So you can just edit your image right here, but I'm just going to crop it down a little bit here. I'm going to crop this part up and then click done. And then I'll let that reload for me and click save. So now my logo is a little bigger. I kind of like the look of that too. So now my Mighty Sites logo is a little bigger there. And my website's coming along really quickly and easily. I'm going to go here to the main hero text, and then you can have this say whatever you want. So let's just say, just for the sake of it, I want to change this to say pool design and build firm. So there we go. And then I can change the subheading too, but whatever works best for you. I'll go over here. Let's just say I want this button to say something different. Maybe just request quote. Maybe I just want it to say something like that. And then I can choose where that links. So I'll probably just link that to my lead form section. I'll show you how that works in just a minute. and then click save. So now if somebody comes to, the main here on my site, they know that we build and design and build pools. If they click on request a quote, it'll bring them right here to my get in touch form. And I'll show you how that works when somebody fills it out in just a sec. So for any of the text or buttons, you can change things really easily. So I'll just go right here and just say, this is how you make a website for a swimming pool contractor, right? So I just type out exactly what I want to say. I could make this hyperlink somewhere if I want, or I can make it italicized or in bold. It's really easy to edit. And then let's just say this contact button, I want to change that, maybe I want it to say call now or something of that nature. Then I can choose where it links. And knowing a lot of people will come to my website on their smartphone, I'm just going to make that a click to call button, click save. So now when someone clicks on that, it'll automatically call my business. Now, if I scroll through, I can do the same thing. I can change any of these images. So I can update the content just by typing what I want it to say, or I can go to the update image section and I can browse and upload a new image from my computer, or I can just search from the built-in library too. So there's this entire library of photos that are built in for you to use. And you can, click through here. It's going to, pre-search for something related to your business. So you could always just change this if you want to say, swimming pool, something like that, and just see what the different options are in the photo library. So let's just say, I want to change it to this picture. So I just select a new photo, and now you can see it's a new photo in that section of my website too. So again, you can just select from the whole photo library, or you can upload your own photo to get started. Now, if you want to preview what your site looks like without those update section buttons, because those only show up for you, you can just click stop editing, and then you can kind of see your progress so far and how your website's looking. Again, this whole website is built to be mobile friendly too, so it'll work on a smartphone. If I type in my name and let's just say I'm somebody who finds your business online, and then I enter in my details. I would like to build a swimming pool. So this could be a lead for your business, and click send. They'll get a nice little message saying, thank you, your message has been sent. And then I could activate editing mode again, or, stop editing and go to my site dashboard. And it takes just a minute for the lead to come through. Just go back again. So you'll get an email letting you know someone filled out the contact form on your website, and you'll see a new lead that comes in here. So you can click on that, and then you can view the lead information, and that gives you a chance to call them, email them, basically close the deal for your business too. So a website's a great way to generate leads for your business. Once you're ready to go, you can connect your domain. So you just paste in your domain, and then it gives you instructions for the updates you need to make with your registrar, which is like a registrar is like Google Domains, domain.com, GoDaddy. So you'll paste it in here, and then there'll be a connection that happens from Mighty Sites, and then you'll need to make an update or ask your registrar. We'll provide the instructions for you to make a simple update on their side, and then it'll connect the website back and forth. And then your website will also come with a secure certificate too, so that your website's a really secure website for you and your customers. You can always go back and edit anytime and make updates, but yeah, that's how quick, easy, simple it is to create a cheap professional website for your swimming pool contractor business. Click on the link below to start your free trial. Give it a try, see if it works for you. And again, it's only $9 a month, so you can't beat the price.